When we say web dev is dead, we have to first understand what kind of web dev jobs actually exist in the market. There are like two categories: static websites and dynamic web apps. Static websites are those which just only displays information that doesn't have enough business logic. Dynamic web apps, which has like a lot of functional things, which is a little complex. Those are called web apps. So in static websites, there are multiple categories. Example, branding pages, like the home pages or the brand websites. Next is blogs, which is just for informational purposes. Next, we have e-commerce websites. Yes, it includes a lot of logic, but mostly it is same. You are showing different products and you're adding to cart and then you are buying it. The flow is more for informational purpose. Next is landing pages. Landing pages are like marketing websites which people use to bring the traffic. Then what happened earlier? Every category of this used to be hand coded. Then came the existence of few tools. Like for branding pages, there are tools like Webflow, Wix, Web Studio, because of which branding pages are now kind of dead for the developers. Like even the marketing people can create it, and with less development skills, you can do it easily. So I'm just marking them as red. Next is blogs. We got WordPress, Medium, Webflow. People are starting using these tools, and that also made the coding unnecessary for these kind of websites. So, example, blogs are also dead. Next, we got Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce. What they did, they made e-commerce obsolete. Next came Webflow Wix lead pages again for landing pages. So these are also dead. Now, if you think the static websites market is almost dead for the hand coding, where actual developers are needed. Now, let's come to the dynamic web apps, enterprise web apps. So big complex applications, Shopify, Etsy as a platform, they are not built by some builder tools or something, right? Someone has coded them. Next are like example Amazon, Flipkart. So these are big e-commerce brands. Some more examples are web builders itself, like Webflow and all. So this enterprise web apps used to be manually coded using React, AngularJS, various web frameworks, and still are. Next is SaaS web apps. So there are multiple SaaS applications which comes under this. Next is internal web tools. Companies used to make their internal web tools, analytics dashboards. The AI is now targeting this manual coding. So it can be done with two ways: end-to-end AI platforms, and second category is AI coding agents. What do I mean by end-to-end AI platforms? The platforms like Lovable, Replit, All.new, they can give you end-to-end web application with some prompting. So this is actually where it has taken the need of the manual coding. And under AI coding agents, we have Cursor, Cloud Code, or Copilot. This is where it assists developers to manually code. And the problem is this lovable Replit bolt.new, it removes the manual coding effort. So startups, apps which used to hire developers, it is now going to more product manager or like people who have like basic knowledge of coding. It is now actually started affecting manual coding. And even with Cursor Cloud Code, makes the perception that you don't need manual coding at all. So does this mean web development is dead? Because as you can see, static websites market is already dead. And with all these AI platforms and AI coding agents, should we just stop coding altogether? But it made me wonder, if we have these end-to-end platforms which can write back-end, front-end, DevOps, everything, then why not big enterprises or a lot of startups have already started adopting it at a large scale? I mean, what is the need of coding agents like Cursor, Cloud Code at all? Why not ask ChatGPT itself, right? Wait a minute. Hey, ChatGPT, can you explain me the top 5 real reasons in a point-wise format in brief why enterprises and startups still prefer using AI coding agents like Cursor, Claude Code, like why they hand code everything when there are availability of full stack AI platforms such as Lovable, Ball.new, which can actually help them create end-to-end solution. Why they're still manual coding with these coding agents? And please answer in terms of flexibility, maintainability, scalability, reliability, and security. And please keep it brief.
Absolutely. So here are the top 5 reasons in a nutshell. Flexibility. Hand coding allows developers to have fine-grained control over the code, enabling them to customize and tweak solutions exactly as needed. Maintainability. Custom written code tends to be easier to maintain, especially when teams are familiar with the code base. It also allows for easier debugging and updates. Scalability, hand-coded solutions can be optimized for performance and can be scaled more effectively, especially for complex, large-scale applications. For reliability, when developers write the code themselves, they have better insight into potential issues, making it easier to ensure the reliability of the application. And 5, security. Hand coding allows for more granular control over security measures, reducing the risk of vulnerabilities that might come with more generalized AI platforms. In short, while AI platforms are great for speed, hand coding offers that extra layer of control and customization that many enterprises and startups value.
Okay, thank you, ChatGPT. See, ChatGPT has answered it. So why companies use AI agents over AI platforms? Number one reason is flexibility, right? You get the flexibility of integrating any technologies in any way you want. Otherwise, you are stuck to the platform. Next is maintainability. If you have hand coded written it, you knows what technologies, tech stack you are using. So you are in a better position to maintain and keep it alive for a longer period of time. Next is scalability. You can run as many pods, you can run the same code in the more scalable, cost efficient manner. Next is reliability. You're not dependent on any other platform. So if that goes down, your business doesn't go down. So reliability matters a lot. Next is security, a very big factor. You are dealing with public data. You are dealing with actual users' data, and that is very important to keep it secure. So when the code is written by you, the data centers are with you. You have the full authority and control over it. So that is very important. So and also one quick dev tip is this is exactly how I talk to cursor, not customer. This is exactly how I talk to Cursor when I'm planning or brainstorming a particular feature. Like I always ask, after giving a prompt, keep it flexible, maintainable, scalable, reliable, and secure. So this is a very good dev tip. So the real question is web dev dead? I think is the wrong question. The better question is software engineering dead?